Money must work. Everyone who thinks about how to become rich, of course, know this phrase. However, how and where to invest money? Of course, we can say the following way: the financial and political situation in the world is unstable. Therefore, if you don't save money, you will lose them. So, you need to think how improve your financial income. There are specific recommendations that will help you to become wealthier. Invest in your education. Knowledge will be with you always, and it does not matter that can be happen. There are two recommendations. Start to think about what will really can make you to be forward. What skills and knowledge will immediately and quickly give you good results. Alternatively, you can find your talents with this playlist. Moreover, choose the knowledge that will help you develop your own talents. Buy a ready business. Now there are a lot of places where you can find a ready working business. If you want to get more money, I recommend you use these tips. With them, you can reduce your risks. Buy a car and give it for renting. You can use for it car that you have now. Now there are special companies that do this. I recommend you go to them to determine which car is better to buy. If you don't want to use for it car, you can buy many things that you can give for rent. For example, commercial estate. Other work. In this case, you have two options. First, go to the boss and ask him or her what you need to do for being higher in your career road. Alternatively, find another job in better company. Think about spending time and money. Sit down and write down everything. For example, if a road to work takes you 30 minutes, it may be better to rent an apartment near the work. It will give you an extra hour of time and saves money on road. Therefore, this financial planning can really cut your expenses. Make a list of liabilities and try to make it into assets. Liabilities takes your money, assets brings them to you. For example, a person has a two-bedroom apartment. It can be rented or sold and changed into a one-room apartment. Of course, it will be necessary to live in a narrowness, but you will have extra money for self-development. So, think and try to find. If you really use your brains, you can start to earn money from any liability. Go for risk. Many businesses opened by the last money. A man sold an apartment and opened his own business. Yes, it is a risk. However, without the risk, real success is impossible. Of course, you need to have an experience and knowledge before to do something. Nevertheless, think about it if you want to get financial freedom. What results or services can you sell? Everyone has life experience. In addition, someone can use your experience. If you have not such experience, you can get it if you will take some trainings. This is especially actually for women, hairstyles or makeup. Now people want to use this service in their own house. You can offer such services on weekends and don't forget about your main job. That's all. And if you want to accelerate your way to financial success, have a look at smart cards. Link is in the lower left corner.